Greetings everyone, I'm Stephen Las Marias, editor of eTimes Asia, and with me today is Daphne Tien, Vice President for Marketing and Business Development for APAC at Mouser Electronics. Daphne, thank you very much for this opportunity.
Thank you. Nice to meet you and welcome to Taipei.
Yeah, nice to meet you again. So first things first, Daphne, can you please tell us briefly about Mouser Electronics and your role in the company?
Okay, so Mouser Electronics is a franchise authorized distributor. We are global distributors. So we carry out more than 1,200 different manufacturers, and we are famous for the e-commerce and famous on the MPI.
Okay. So, Daphne, during the 2021 component shortage, distributors became strategic supply chain partners rather than fulfillment channels. So, how has Mouser's sort of a strategy evolved today as customers navigate the AI-driven demand and volatility, geopolitical uncertainty, and the regional manufacturing shifts?
Okay. For Mouser, it's actually quite easy. So Mouser was established in 1964. So for us, we already moved Mouser's catalog business into the website in 1996. So from the supply chain shift from during the pandemic, I think we are already very well prepared on the website. So it's easy for the customers to search the products. As we don't only focus on one segmentations, so we carry out so many different like semiconductors and connectors, passives, everything. So even though now we talk about the market shifting, so for us as the global company, so it's not a matter to us.
Okay. So how is Mouser adapting its logistics, inventory, and customer engagement strategies to support the China Plus One strategy across ASEAN and India?
So believe it or not, we are a global company, so it's for us no geography, right? Differentiations. So for us, we just need to make sure all our customers is very easy to search the products online. And because of the shifting, as I mentioned, we have a global presence. So people, no matter where you are able to find the products. And even though we are the e-commerce companies, but we still have the branch office around the globe. We have more than 26 locations. Especially in Asia, we have more than 13 locations and more than 15 offices for the local and can talk to the people when you have any questions. So it's not really a matter to Mouser, no matter how the market shift, we are in local to supply to you, to support you.
Okay. So Daphne, we're here at the Computex 2026. So when you move around the exhibition halls, you got AI, infrastructure, power electronics, industrial automation, embedded systems. It's really driving significant semiconductor demand. So from Mouser's perspective, which component categories are seeing the fastest growth, and how are sourcing behaviors changing right now?
I think there's no doubt everybody talking about the memory. Speak frankly, memory was not in our top 50 suppliers even before the AI booming, but now is going to top 10. So this is very important. And the other thing is when we're talking about the AI, all about the energy, so the power management also equal very important to all the industry. But I think it's not only these two for all the components, because we are now going to build so much more AI infrastructures. Like there are a lot of AI enabling factories or the semiconductors fab, and because of the shortage, the manpower shortage, we need a lot more faster. So I think for us, our engagement with our manufacturers is very important. So now all the manufacturers, they focus on the MPI is all AI related, so higher power, higher voltage. So Mouser would like to be the first one to stock their MPI in our website for the engineers to search and to make the design.
Okay. So Daphne, counterfeit prevention, component traceability remain critical concerns when it comes to supply chains. Especially now as supply chains become even more fragmented. So what additional measures is Mouser implementing to ensure authenticity, transparency, and long-term supply resilience and assurance for your customers?
So for us, as we are the franchise authorized distributor, so all Mouser's products are directly supplied from our manufacturers. So no counterfeit parts concern. So this is our guarantee to our customers. When they buy any components from Mouser, it's all authorized. So this is really to guarantee your needs.
That's great. That's really good to know, especially now that a lot of people are
You have a lot of concerns. So for us, there's no doubt.
Yeah. Okay. Daphne, engineers today are are expecting more than component sourcing or supply. They want design resources. They want reference platforms as well as faster prototyping support. So how is Mouser enhancing its digital ecosystem and engineering engagement tools to address the changing expectations from your customers and designers?
Yeah, indeed, from Mouser.com, you not only can search the products. For us, it's really to have deep engagement with the engineers. So from Mouser's website, you can not only search the parts, but we have the resources center. We have full of technical like applications and newest technologies for the engineers to search. And of course, a lot of reference design. For us, we also provide so many different tools. For instance, we have the Semantics, the EDA tool for design engineers. So when you come, you can make your design, you can do the simulation. We have 3D models for you to do it. You don't need to jump from one website to the other websites. Right. So for us, our website setup and design is really toward to those design engineers. So for them to be very convenient to search all the products they need, and also to learn a lot of newest technologies. Especially Mouser has a project we call Empowering Innovation Together. We call EIT projects. It's run for more than 10 years. And this year will, of course, focus on the AI-related topics. So our technical marketing engineers, they will talk to the leading companies, the CEOs or CTO or professors to find out the newest technologies. So welcome all the engineers to visit Mouser's website. So you can find many different contents.
It's like a one-stop shop already, right?
Yes, definitely.
Yeah. Thank you very much, Daphne. Do you have any final comments?
Yeah, I think for those people who already know Mouser, you know where to find us. For those, maybe you are first time to hear from Mouser, we want you to find the products. When you make the design, when you need to find the new products, please think of Mouser.com.
All right, great. Thank you very much again, Daphne, for this opportunity.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
That's Daphne Tien, Vice President for Marketing and Business Development for APAC at Mouser Electronics. I'm Stephen Las Marias. Thank you very much for watching.